Hey, what's going on, people? My name is Coach But welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time around these parts, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy anything that I talk about on this video, hit that like button. It goes a long way to helping me out and to know that you actually enjoy the things that I'm making. But today we're talking about how to get started investing. Let's talk about number one. So in this video, we're not really going to talk about investing in an IRA. I have an entire video linked up here to a playlist where it talks about every single thing that you need to know when it comes to investing in an IRA, how to go about thinking about it, and how to go about investing in it. And this time around, we're going to be talking about taxable accounts, which is brokerage accounts, which is everything else where you hear people talking about investing with Webull and all of these other platforms. That's what we're going to be talking about. So the first thing that you want to do when it comes to investing is you actually need to go ahead and open an account. And I suggest that you open all the free accounts that you can open. I mean, for me, I have a Robinhood account, I have a Webull account, I have a public account, I have an M1 Finance account. By the way, all of these are linked down in the description if you want to open it up. The reason why I opened each and every single one of these accounts, I also have a SoFi Invest account. The reason why I opened all of these is because each one of them was giving me free money. And I'm not one to turn away free money. I mean, they give it in the form of a stock, but regardless, free money is free money, and I'm always open to get some free money. But the main thing is for you to actually just open an account. It's actually just get started, just looking at how do I even navigate the softwares that I'm using. By the way, even though I opened all of those accounts, I primarily only use 2 of them. Second thing that you're going to do is actually transfer money from your main account into your brokerage account. Now, the reason why you're going to do this is in order for you to actually buy stocks, you need money in your brokerage account. But the second reason is I also want you to set up a reoccurring transfer. Whether it's like $10 a month or $5 a month or $50 a month, whatever it is that you can actually afford to transfer in every month or every whatever the period of time that you want to do, transfer that money so that you get used to the idea of a reoccurring withdrawal being made from your account going into your brokerage account. So that way you learn how to live without that amount of money. Got it? Cool. I don't know if you've noticed, I have not really spoken about actually buying stocks yet with any of these things. The reason for that is I don't want y'all to make the same mistakes that I made when I first started. The third and most important thing for you to do when it comes to starting off investing is for you to actually start learning. Start reading books, start watching YouTube videos, start doing research about the companies that you want to invest in. Start learning about how to research companies. Start learning about how to look up the annual reports of a company. Start learning about all of these different things that it takes to actually invest actively in the market. If you don't want to do any of that stuff, start investing in ETFs. As a matter of fact, while you're still learning, I advise that every single person should just invest in ETFs for the time being, because that way your money is actually still doing work, and then you're also getting into the idea of seeing your money go down, go back up, go down, go back up when you're investing in ETFs. So do that now and start learning, start researching, start reading, start planning how you're going to make the moves that you're going to make. Honestly, at the end of the day, you just gotta start. Simply put, this entire video is just to encourage each and every single person that's hearing my voice right now that has been sitting on the sidelines contemplating, should I start investing, should I not start investing? The main thing is just for you to start. You will never learn unless you start doing. It's just like doing pull-ups. It's like doing any kind of workout exercise. You don't get better until you start doing it, until it becomes part of your life, until you become inundated with it, where you start reading news about it, when you start reading articles about it, when you start just looking at it all the time. Nobody who started investing knew everything at that one time. We've all made mistakes, and that's okay. But the most important thing is to learn from those mistakes and to keep growing and keep learning and keep growing from that. So if there's anything that I want you to get out of this video, is simply start. Just start. But anyway, that's all I got for y'all in this video. I hope y'all learned 1, maybe 2 things out of this entire thing. If you learned anything in this video, hit that like button. But remember, generosity is always greater than greed. God bless each and every single one of y'all, and I'm out. Peace.